ऑन स्क्रीन कपल्स आपने बहुत सारे देखे होंगे, उनकी क्यूटनेस देखी होगी, फाइट देखी होगी, हर चीज़ देखा होगा, लेकिन आज हम आपको लेकर आए एक ऐसे कपल के साथ जो ऑफ स्क्रीन ही बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट है, और उनकी शादी तो लाइक इट वाज अ ग्रैंड इवेंट और बहुत ही सेटल। और आज हमारे साथ वो अपनी सारी क्यूटनेस शेयर करने वाले हैं, शादी के पहले वाली और शादी के बाद वाली, और वो कोई और नहीं बल्कि है रुबीना और अभिना। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। सबसे पहले बताइए, शादी हो गई है, हाउ इज फीलिंग, लाइफ चेंज हुई है?
635th question. No, a lot of people have asked me what has changed after marriage. कुछ change नहीं हुआ. It's just like before. Just that कि थोड़ा एक sense of responsibility बढ़ गई. That's it.
और वो responsibility क्या है?
I mean, just be a little more sensible. I'm very childish at times. So just trying to be a little more sensible.
Rubina, what's about you?
Before marriage, it was about me. Now after marriage, it is about us. Change as in nothing major has changed, but I would say बहुत सारी चीज़ें और aspects जुड़ गए हैं, which has now made my life as an individual larger than any current situation of frame, because now it is him first than me, and that really gives me joy, pride, sense of responsibility, looking for his preferences, choices first, and then thinking about how it can be even further exciting, adventurous, passionate, filled with fire. So yeah, and the picture has just become on
Larger.
a grand level and
Yeah.
on a larger level.
Okay, so she mentioned कि his first, yours first. What about you? I mean, sensible, responsible, सब कुछ आप हो गए हैं. But what about her choices first?
That was, I mean, for me nothing has changed. पहले भी before marriage, there were a lot of things which were about her. कि यार, this is, if I have to plan this, then पहले मैं सोचता था कि if is Ruby okay with it? Like suppose we have to go outdoors, So first thing I'll think is like, what sort of outdoors can I take her along to? Because there are a few outdoors I can get her along, there are a few which are like a little more tricky, maybe dangerous at times, so I don't. So for me it was always that, ki if she's coming along somewhere, if something has to be, done together. So I used to think about her first, and then I used to tell my opinion about it. So for me it's same.
Okay, I want to know the story. जब आप लोग मिले थे, कहाँ से शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी? The full story I want to know.
शुरू में हमने पहले काम किया था, बट तब हमारी इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुई ज़्यादा कुछ. फिर एक बार इसके घर पे हाउस पार्टी थी, तो हमारे एक दोस्त है कॉमन बैसाखी, which is a common factor in our relationship, and she took me to her place. That is where I first saw her and her sisters taking care of the guests. There were so many people there, and they were like being very good hosts. So I had that feeling we get back home, जब घर पे कोई आता है ना, मम्मी सुबह से खाना बना रही होती है, सब करती है उस टाइप से. So they were very good hosts, but there was nothing, because at that time I think she was already in a relationship. So then the actual thing started at Ganpati. वही again Baisakhi, उसके घर पे गणपति था, and she walks in. She was wearing, I think, a sari or and I don't know, it's just instinctively I like women dressed in sari, and she was very very nicely and very cutely dressed in a sari, very chic, and I saw her and I was like, wow, what is she up to these days? I want to know. So you start running your mind कि कौन अब क्या कर रही है, क्या चल रहा है life में. Then I asked few questions to
Full
Baisakhi.
stalking,
Then I asked few questions to Baisakhi. I'm like, tell me more, and so it started from there, and then I left a comment on her Instagram that I would like to photograph you. And I used to see her, follow her on Instagram. She used to do those, aerial training. So this way, and she used to put pictures about training. So I was like, wow, maybe I can photograph her doing the aerials. And surprisingly, she replied. She said, "क्या आप कमाल करके दिखाएंगे?" मैंने कहा कमाल तो तुम हो, I'll just be there with my camera. कैमरे में कमाल को उतार लेंगे. So I think that was the icebreaker.
Yes, it was. So from Instagram, we shared our email IDs. From email IDs, I just responded back to his emails that, oh, let's. Then finally I did not understand the hints that he kept on dropping, that give me your number, give me your number. Finally he just writes in bold numbers.
Okay.
Will this go on and on, or can I get your number? I was like, okay. So here's the number. And then I was, expecting his call anytime. And now he'll call now. And it's my practice of leaving my phone in the makeup room when I go for my shot. So when I come back, I see an unknown number. As I replied to an unknown comment, I do not read the comments. I don't know why did I read the comment, and went, on his account and checked his pictures out. And I was like, because you know of somebody, but you do not know about him. So I knew of him, and I grew curious to know more about him, because I saw him at my friend's Ganpati, and then on and off in some events, award shows. You happen to just bump into each other. जो पहले भी हुआ करता था, but now, मतलब this person is so prominent, in the whole crowd. You can see a tall guy, who has something very different about himself. He just illuminates in the whole crowd. So that was the feeling I used to always have whenever we used to bump into each other. So and yes, then I get back to my makeup room. I see this unknown number, and I call him back. He's like, so मैंने वापस फोन किया, like मैडम शिंदे कॉलिंग है, शिंदे हुआ कौन शिंदे, पुलिस स्टेशन या इंस्पेक्टर शिंदे ओशीवारा पुलिस स्टेशन से आपको रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा, आपके लिए कंप्लेन आई है. अरे हाँ, sorry, and then I just took a 2 seconds pause. I said, is it up now? Because he has that very distinctive voice, and it's like one of the factors of me getting attracted towards him, because his voice has a lot of intensity. He has a mature, deep voice that आवाज निकालते
ही. Which I can change whenever I feel like.
No, but I'm really I drool over his voice. He has a lot of quality in his voice. I said, is it up enough? And then of course he breaks into a laughter. He says, yeah. So when do you plan to meet? I said, though I wanted to say like today in the evening after my I was like, no. I was like, how about next week? I'm going to be free, and let's plan. Yeah, of course.
I mean, it's beautiful.
And I did not want to, so and then finally that week comes, and I'm waiting for him in the car. He says, meet me at that Falana point. I said, like, okay, fine. I'm looking left, right, center, where this guy will come from. Mid of the place, he's asked me to wait, and I am sitting in the car. What do I do? And suddenly I see somebody walking like this. He's the one. He has a very different style of walking,
Okay.
So he comes, and then I say, where do we head? He's like, sit in the car. We'll decide then. I was like, okay. He did not even decide where to go. I thought, okay, fine. So we sit in the car. He has this spray bottle in his hand. I look at him. He looks at me, and then to break the ice, he says, "This is the spray, and its strength is 5. That means it's strong, and it will hold our relationship strong."
I said, this is to bind us together.
Bind us together.
Can we recreate that? Only that spray wala scene.
Spray bottle. Let's imagine.
Let's imagine. Let's take just hold your phone or something. Yeah.
So yeah, this is hairspray to bind us together. It's for you.
And then he takes it, back. It's my hairspray. I'm like, that's weird. मैंने 2 सेकंड के लिए सोचा, मैंने कहा लड़की को पहली बार मिलने आया हेयर स्प्रे लेकर आया. And then he takes it back. He's like, कल शूट है इसलिए.
Now that explains, I was buying my basic stuff I carry for my shoot, and she had already reached, and she reached on time. So I was like, wow, ये तो पहली बार हो रहा है मुंबई में कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं 7 बजे आऊँगा और 7 बजे on time आ गया. So अभी तो I wasn't even prepared. I was just buying. तो मैंने कहा चलो go with the flow. I actually wanted to go back, change, and then meet her and take her out.
He comes in his cargos and well-fitted T-shirt. I still remember that look. I mean, I was like, wow, because he's so different. He stands out in the crowd. He would not intentionally dress up, but the way he styles himself is so different, and that's what made me more curious about him. Ke, wow, this is different. Wow, this is weird. But that weirdness is something that really wants you to even know more about that person. and here we were, wanting to know each other more and more and more.
जब फर्स्ट टाइम आपने वैशाखी के घर पे देखा था तो शी वाज इन ऑलरेडी इन रिलेशनशिप, तो स्टार्टेड
No, no.
That
when
was
द
we
फर्स्ट
met-
टाइम.
First time at my
First time
place.
at
Then
her
I
place.
was in
Yeah,
a
she was-
relationship.
Huh.
Thereafter, when we met at Ganpati's place, for Ganpati, we did, yes, we were both single.
ओह ग्रेट. सो उसके बाद फिर रियलाइज कैसे हुआ कि वी आर इन लव, लाइक इट वाज जस्ट अ मीटिंग, ओके ओके कि ओके ही इज समथिंग डिफरेंट.
Then we started meeting frequently because, as I told you, that when you find something new, attractive, or maybe weird about the other person, you want to know more about him. The more you know about that person, the more you get attracted towards his very different qualities. Because in today's time, especially in the city where people are constantly chasing their dreams, this guy was simply enjoying his life.
I was.
And that's what is so beautiful about him. He isn't after any materialistic possessions. He isn't chasing something. He's in the present moment, enjoying life.
I work
in a
for
s-
peanuts.
Yeah.
I mean, not actually I get peanuts, but I work so that I can, buy the best peanuts
I
all across
love
the globe because I love
peanuts.
peanuts and coffee.
Yeah. So he is a simple guy with high values and high morals, and that's what distinguishes him from the rest. You would not find you would never hear him having a shallow conversation. His conversations are, wow, he amazes you with his intelligence, with his knowledge, with his experience that he has. And that's what is beautiful about this man, and we want to know more and more and more, and that's how we ended up in many dates. I remember the official date that he took me to was Kalsubai, the highest peak in Maharashtra. We hiked Kalsubai, 5 hours of hiking up
Huh.
there on the mountain, and we come back.
3.5.
5 hours and 2 hours
You did
descent.
pretty good. I
So
was thinking it's gonna be like
cribbing and sulking and all.
Yeah, but she just climbed effortlessly.
Okay.
Yeah, and later I got to know that was the date where he wanted to check my cadence, strength, agility, and that was like one of the criteria of being his girlfriends.
वाओ.
I was like, really? He's like, yeah, because that shows how grounded, how efficient, how strong mentally you are, and that further defines that how well can you manage your life further. So I think he has a broader perspective and a vision vis-a-vis that, and yeah, it's damn interesting.
सो अभिनव आप बताइए, आपने जैसा बोला कि लड़की साड़ी पहन के आई थी एंड शी वाज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड ऑल, तो एक यही अट्रैक्शन था और भी कुछ क्वालिटीज आपको समझ में आई बाद में या तभी?
See, initially I was attracted purely, physically.
Okay.
She was beautiful, and but after a few meetings, and obviously when I checked her pictures on Instagram, she was into those aerials. She used to get up in the morning and do those aerials, and she was doing some really cool stuff, like which involves a lot of strength and technique. So I always get impressed if somebody has something unique, somebody is different. And that was the time everybody was making some random ass talk videos on Instagram. So this was so refreshing to see a girl doing something, really cool. And I had no clue what aerials are. वो कपड़ा डाल के, how, and it was technical, not just, वो. So I got impressed with that, and then subsequently when we met, we went on a lot of dates. I started realizing she has a lot of integrity. That's very important. And she was independent, and she was very courageous. Like, she used to take decisions. A lot of people cannot take decisions. She used to take decisions. And I could see a lot of self-respect, when you have that integrity, when you have, strength, inner strength, what we call. So वो बहुत था इसमें. There was no typical cliche baggages which a lot of people have generally in cities. So she was very refreshing. I was like, wow, I used to love meeting her and being with her. So eventually just.
फैमिली को इम्प्रेस करना पड़ा एक दूसरे की, या मान गए ओके बेटी की पसंद, ओके बेटी की पसंद इज फाइन? सो टेल अस अबाउट दैट. व्हाट इज द डिफिकल्टीज, स्ट्रगल यू फेस्ड?
Not difficulties, but there was definitely parents are always extremely careful about their child being hurt,
Absolutely.
being misused or being
Right.
They are overprotective.
That's the greatest pain, anyone can go through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my parents along with me have seen many ups and downs in my life, and just to make sure that I do not end up choosing or making a wrong decision, they would always support me, saying, see, they never negated me, they never were negative, or they never were pulling me down. They always supported me and said, Rubina, you take any decision, we would always be with you, but please see things the way they are, not the way you want to see them.
Yeah.
And that's the reason that I've been able to make right decisions in my life, because my parents have always been there with me. They have always said, take your time, there's no hurry, there's no pressure from us that you have to take decision now, this is the time, this is the age, anything of that sorts. They've always been there, keeping me in their palms, letting me know that I'm safe wherever I am, with whomsoever I am, because we are there for you. And that's really something that you have to always carry on your shoulders, like responsibility
Right.
towards your family and parents. And that responsibility, though they have not said that we'll be very difficult people to please, no, but that also gives you a sense of responsibility that no, it's not just my decision, it's something that will affect my family as well. So they have silently made me realize that I have to act responsibly when I choose my life partner. And the way he is, they have embraced him the way he is. So the difficulty part was only on me to make sure that I do not hurt their sentiments. And that's what
I was well aware of that. Not much late, but initially when we had just started dating, I was very well aware of the fact that it's very difficult for parents, who have seen ups and downs, of their daughter, and again, she's getting into a relationship maybe, and for them it's like they can be very cautious and they can be very careful, and I knew of that fact, and I knew that I'm not in any way going to make her or them feel bad and lose hope with this world.
And what about you? Your family was ready to accept your religion?
See, my parents are cool. They're pretty cool about a lot of things, but then my father was, into Jyotish. So he wanted कि यार बाकी सब ठीक है, मेरे हिसाब से date time मैं बताऊंगा. So I was like, fine that. If this is what you want, perfectly okay. And they love her now.
तो कुंडली कितनी मिली थी?
मिल गई proper. I don't know. I haven't checked the points and all. But my dad had a smile on his face. So what else do you want?
Okay, शादी was a great affair. Like it was really grand. और actually media fans और I hope सबने enjoy किया था.
Yes.
So okay, so it was fully pre-planned,
She did
settled.
everything.
Yeah.
She did everything. She was shooting 13 hours every day, and after that she used to come and she used to tell me, let's discuss. We used to sit together and she used to tell me, this is all what needs to be done. And initially we had few arguments. Like I was saying, oh, this is impractical, yaar, ye mat kar. So she's like, no, I want. She had those, she wanted to make planters as in white.
Right.
So the moment she told me, my first question was, what plant and what is going to be the base or the carrier? She's like, कांच का वो होगा और बीच में प्लांट ही रहेगा. मैंने कहा, are you mad? It's so hot. कहाँ रखेंगे और उसको कैसे देंगे लोगों को? It's like it's gonna die. The plant is gonna die. She's like, just you wanna do it or you don't. We had an argument, and then one day I decided if I keep arguing with her, things are not gonna go smoothly. So I said, now you tell me what needs to be done, I'll do that.
Surrender.
And trust me, that was the best decision of my life. Letting her plan. And we actually went, distributed the planters to people, and people were like, wow, yeah, this is they used to hold me. Yeah, this is unique. Like,
That was newsmaker.
Yeah, and this thing. Somebody said ki, you know, it's inspired from somewhere. It wasn't at all. It was purely her idea because, you know, she was discussing it with me and I was saying, yeah, this is very impractical. If you ask me, this is very impractical. Firstly, nobody likes the physical invite these days. People just say WhatsApp pe bhejte hain aur aa jana. But then the good part was when you have actually made an invite customized. It had a name for every person you wanted to invite. We both at times, जिस दिन permit किया time में, we have gone and you know personally given it to people.
There's the personal touch.
That personal touch in आज के ज़माने में, WhatsApp के ज़माने में was like I was like wow. So you know now I think I made the best decision by letting her plan everything and me just running around doing the job.
So ये हर केस में होता है कि you
नहीं,
plan?
हर केस में नहीं होता है. Where I know she's like you know she's brilliant, I just don't interfere much.
So Rubina in sari or Rubina in bikini?
Both.
Both. Okay, everything जो भी है. Okay. So how's life going? Back to back shoots. आप दोनों लोग daily show के लिए shoot कर रहे हो और shows भी काफ़ी ऐसे हैं कि आपको रहना ज़रूरी है. So how you guys are managing your timing and कितना साथ में देना है, कैसे करना है?
This managing or this balancing professional personal life actually is keeping us fresh and alive. It sometimes gets tiring as well, but having a partner who understands the nature of your career, who understands how important it is for you to work and takes the responsibility also to share you know household chores equally, gives me a sense of pride that you know the talks of equality is just not the talks. He respects it. And when a man respects his partner's arena of work, profession, personal life, it becomes all the more easier and fun to balance the two out. So I think that act of balancing going well.
What is love according to you?
I think love is an unconditional liking for someone, which doesn't get impacted by the other person's behavior.
Okay.
For example, I like peanuts. All right, let's say I love peanuts. Okay. वो कभी-कभी सीले निकलते हैं, कभी you know
बहुत ज़्यादा नमक
होता है, कभी कुछ होता है, but I still eat them because I love peanuts, right?
Right.
So love is like unconditional. Like come what may, you like someone, you love someone, you will love him or her. And कभी-कभी situations ऐसी आती हैं कि दोनों लोगों को लगता है कि they are in love, but then you know things start getting like little messy, and then suddenly abruptly love ends. No, it cannot, right?
Right.
So in this case, in our case, you know that feeling was always there. Like no matter how she behaves, how I behave, we get back to each other, and we have that respect for each other, and that was so wonderful. Like so that was love. You know, this is love.
Rubina, what's your take?
Love is when two secure individuals they come together to create value and to co-create memories for eternity. That's what love is, and it encompasses everything. So love is not looking into each other's eyes; it is actually looking ahead and creating a future for.
And love is definitely not what is shown in Bollywood films.
Yeah, I was going to ask, if you're not giving me time, you don't love me. If you're not coming with me for a dinner, you don't love me. These kind of things don't happen with you guys. Oh, great.